Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to do another brief video on Tesla. We still remain in this gigantic triangle that really started forming on August 12th, then moved up to a high on September 1st, and then has been bouncing around in this channel. A few days ago, we reached about 461, and we really were looking to break out of this triangle, but we got stopped out really at that 461. And to me, the breakout level is about 465. Uh, and looking at the volume on that day, I had said there's no volume, so that's not really a breakout. And as it did, the market, had some weakness and it fell right back into this massive triangle. So we really have only a few days left before the apex of this gigantic triangle, really coinciding with the earnings of Tesla. So looking at that with the declining volume, I mean, there's been really no volume uh, for a while here. I mean, 36 million shares, uh, 45 million, 34, 38, 28, 40. I mean, on some really big volume days, we're doing 100 million in volume, 107 million volume, 103 million volume. So on a big breakout, I would expect to see volume like this, and that is really coinciding with the earnings. If they have good earnings, we're going to get a lot of volume. Something like it could be something like 194 million if we see bullish news and bullish earnings and large volume. We could see a very large move, and vice versa on the downside. If we see bad earnings and high selling volume, we're going to see a big move on the downside. To me, if we do on the bullish side, we get above that 465, and then we can definitely hit 520. And on the downside, I mean, we would want to look to the bottom of this triangle for support. It's probably break down. It will probably break down past this resistance level and all the way down to this level here, where there's been some previous support at 330. But typically, as I was following other events, the price would run up before the event, and then after it would sell off, and that doesn't seem to be happening with the earnings. I mean, today's already Monday. I don't think in the next 2 days before the earnings the stock's going to run up. I think it's just going to remain in this channel, and people are remaining cautious. They want to see what the earnings are before they hit the volume, and that's pretty much consistent with what I'm seeing here. So good earnings, a lot of volume. I think the stock really pops, and let's hope that that's the case. And good luck, and thanks for watching.